When did ethics begin and how it originated? If one has in mind that ethics proper is a systematic study of what is morally right and wrong, the term is also applied to any system or theory of moral values or principles. And the question here, how should we live? Shall we aim at happiness or at knowledge? Or virtue or the creation of beautiful object? If we choose happiness, what will be our own or the happiness of all? And what of the more particular questions that face us? Is it right to be dishonest in a good cause? Can we justify living in opulence while elsewhere in the world people are starving? Is it going to war justified in cases where it is likely that innocent people will be killed? Is it wrong to clone a human being or destroy human embryos in medical research? And to the generations of humans who will come after us and to the non-human animals with whom we share the planet. There is these two questions that tells us more about ethics. The first one is, how ethics different from morality? Traditionally, ethics referred to the philosophical study of morality, the latter being a more or less systematic set of beliefs, usually held in common by a group about how people should live. Ethics also referred to particular philosophical theory of morality. Later, the term was applied to particular moral codes or value system. Ethics and morality are now used almost interchangeably in many contexts. The name of philosophical study remains ethics. The second question is, why does ethics matters? Ethics matters because, first, it is part of how many groups define themselves and thus part of the identity of their individual members. The second one, other regarding values in most ethical systems both reflect and foster close human relationships and mutual respect and trust. And the third one is, it could be rational for a self-interested person to be moral because his or herself is agreeably best served in the long run by reciprocating the moral behaviors of others. Ethics deals with such questions at all levels. Its subject consists of fundamental issues of practical decision making, and its major concerns include the nature of ultimate value and the standards by which human actions can be judged right or wrong. Although ethics has always been viewed as a branch of philosophy, its all-embracing practical nature links it with many other areas of studies, including anthropology, biology, economics, history, politics, sociology, and theology. Yet, ethics remain distinct from such discipline because it is not a matter of factual knowledge in the way that the sciences and other branches of inquiry are. Rather, it has to do with determining the nature of normative theories and applying these sets of principles to practical moral problems.